In this video, we are going to discuss which affiliate marketing is best in India. And I'm going to share with you a model that can take you from 0 to 3 lakh rupees potentially in 30 days. Let's get into it. If you are someone who is seeing me for the first time, let me introduce myself. My name is Shubham Dobhal. I help parents and entrepreneurs create success online and sharing my knowledge with them through these videos. While you're here, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel because I'll be creating more interesting video. Get notified of that. That will help you in your journey of entrepreneurship. Before getting into the topic of which affiliate marketing to choose, let's talk about what is affiliate marketing. If you have not watched my videos and affiliate marketing is something which is very new concept to you, I would recommend that you watch this video first, which tells you what is affiliate marketing and why to choose it. And then you can come back to this video on which is the best affiliate marketing in India. Okay, so let's go ahead with that. What is affiliate marketing? If you go to a popular website of e-commerce called Shopify, you will find out a blog where it tells you the following. They will tell you that affiliate marketing has to be done this way. First, find and join an affiliate program. Choose which offers to promote. Okay. Obtain a unique affiliate link for each offer and share those links on your blog, social media platforms and website. Now let me tell you this thing upfront that this is not working anymore because this is the old way of doing affiliate marketing. And if you go on the YouTube, the videos with the highest views and the popular videos are telling you exactly to follow this model. Let me tell you what is wrong with this model. I can just predict what will happen. Either you will make zero sales or you will make just very less sales with this model, because you will spend all your money getting the traffic to your offer, getting the people to your offer, and most of the money will be spent there. You won't be taking anything home. If you are someone who have tried it and experienced it, I would like to know your experience in the comment below. Please do let me know because I have done it myself the wrong way. 98% of the people are doing it this way, and then I discovered the right way, like the top 2% of the affiliates are doing it. I call it breakthrough marketing. Why? Because it completely changed the way I looked at affiliate marketing. If I were to ask a question, which is the best affiliate marketing in India, I would recommend this. Best affiliate marketing is not about a particular product or a particular website. It is more about how you position yourself and the approach you take. Of course, choosing the right product is also very important, which I'll be discussing in my next video. So if you are already not subscribed to the channel, this might be the right time to do so. And it is not like anything you would have heard so far. Now, affiliate marketing, as it might sound, is not something very different. Affiliate marketing is just a model that is connecting the product to the consumers. That is what affiliate marketing is. If you are a person who is selling insurance, you are an affiliate. If you are a person who is doing network marketing, you are an affiliate. If you are a person who is doing his online business, you are an affiliate. Why? Because you are not the one who is creating the product. You are not the one who is consuming the product. You are just connecting these two. So affiliate marketing is not very different. If you are struggling with this concept, it is very simple. Just like any business, it is a business. All right. So if you are like me, who's above 30, I want you to remember a time 15 years back or 10 years back when going to the bus station, a railway station, or to an airport was a struggle in itself. You have to go to a taxi association a day before, pay them advance money, and wait for the taxi to show up next day. All right, this was a common practice and we were all okay with it. There came an affiliate who saw this problem. He connected the taxis to the people and helped them to reach wherever they want to reach with making it much faster. And he started this affiliate. He started calling himself as Uber, which in later years inspired Ola in India. Right now everybody knows Ola, and right now is $6.5 billion business. To be precise, it is about 45,000 crore rupees in Indian currency. This is power of affiliate marketing. Then in came another affiliate which connected the people who were traveling to different cities, having difficulties in finding the hotels where they can stay for the night, and the hotels who were finding it difficult to get the customer to their hotel. Maybe they were not in the prime location or located in the backyard where they are not accessible so much. So he connected these two and this affiliate, he started calling himself as Oyo. Now everybody knows about Ola and Oyo, and these are the companies who have made it big. Now, the recent case study which I want to put forward is 2018, when a company called Cred came into being. Now, I don't want to get into its business model, but all it is doing is connecting the people who want to pay their credit card bills to the credit card companies. It is just an app where you pay the bills. And if you look at the evaluation of Cred right now, it is $2.2 billion, which is around 14,000 crore rupees. Okay, this is what it was able to achieve from 2018 to 2021 as of now. What is the common thing about all the three businesses that we have discussed so far? The common thing is that they don't own the product they are promoting. That is the most common thing, and this model have been tested and proven over the time, and that is what everyone is using it now, because Oyo used it after Ola had already used it. Cred is using it after Ola has used it, Oyo has used it, and many other platform has used it, like Policy Bazaar has used it. So this is the model which they are easily copying, using it in another niche or another product they want to promote, generating profit with this. But it has to be done in a certain way. Now the question comes, how can we use the same model in our online affiliate marketing business, or can it be done? Now I am the person of the case studies. If something is proven over the time and tested over the time, then it will make sense to me. Otherwise, it doesn't make sense to me. I don't want to have a business where I have to depend upon an affiliate link from someone. There is a website where I have to get myself registered, and if the website denies me access, which it does in many a time, so my business before even starting ends there. I don't want to be dependent on any platform for my existence, like, or for my traffic, like Facebook or Instagram. Because for some people whose business is only on Instagram or on Facebook, they are dependent only on the mercy of these two platforms. The Facebook was down for 6 hours, if you remember. Now, if the Facebook goes down and never comes back, what will happen to these businesses? I'm not saying it will happen. What I'm saying, it might happen, because if you see at the algorithm of the Facebook that it is using right now, in your friend list, if you post something, you will be lucky if it reaches to the 10% of your friends. These are the friends that you made, these are the friends on your list, and Facebook is deciding whether it should go to them or not. So this is what they control, right? So if your business is completely on those two platforms, you might need to think about it, because I don't want that to happen to my business. The third thing is that you don't want to be dependent on just one product. What if the product discontinues tomorrow? Will you not promote anything else? So this is the things you need to take care in mind, and this case study might help you make that decision. It was year 2010. There was this guy who was struggling to make some money on the internet online doing different things. Okay. Now there is a popular website, ClickBank, which was very popular back then. It has been there for many years. Though I do not recommend it so much right now. It has had its days of glory, but right now there are not many good products that are available there, and it is available to everyone, so I don't recommend it right now. But back then it was very popular, and there was a product which was called the Directory of Easiness, DOE. It was very popular product. What it does, it provided you the contacts of the people who might be interested in your niche is your area of interest. Like, say if you are someone who plays football, so it, if you type football, it will give you the contacts of people who are searching for football or have played football or playing football, and it will give you a whole lot of people you can approach to sell your product to them. So this was a hot selling product back then, and everybody on the internet was promoting it, right? Everybody. And it was such a good product that it has a 2% conversion rate. Now if you are new to this game, 2% is a very good conversion rate. Usually it is 1%. So with the 2% conversion rate, it offered you $97 if you sell one product. Okay, so what everybody was doing, it was promoting this link where you are sending the traffic to this link. If a sale is made, you get paid $97. As simple as that. But because of everybody getting into it, it was becoming difficult every day. Now this person who was putting in all the money and just making something out of it, not very big money out of it, decided and thought to himself that what he can do differently. How can he add value to the product which is already available and everybody is promoting it, and there is so much of crowd and they're fighting between each other because every link looks the same. All right, there is not your name written on it, looks the same. Somebody who wants to buy the product will anyways buy it. So what can he do differently so that he has an extra edge over others or a leverage over others? So what he did, he created himself a landing page. Okay, and he said that I will provide a value to people so that they will choose me over the others, which is a very good thought, by the way. Okay, why people should choose you over the others. So that is what he thought. So he created himself a landing page. Landing page is a page where you can take people's name and email address and you can send them to your list, which is also very important. You have to have a list. If you're not doing that in your business, please do that. You have to have a list of people who are coming into your business, whether offline or online. It will help you a lot. So he created that landing page, and when he looked at the product, that the DOE, which was giving you the list of contacts of people, this product is popular between entrepreneurs and people who are trying to make money online. It will matter only to them. So what he did, he created an offer, a free training, which he called Money Marketing 48. Now this is a made up name. I don't know what it was called. So let's call it Money Marketing 48. It promised that if you use this training, you could potentially make money in 48 hours of starting a business. What it did, when you give your email address and name, it took you to the another page which we call the pre-frame page. It took you there, and there you saw 3 videos. First video told you what is ClickBank and how to use it. Second video told you how to choose a product in your niche, and third video told you how to get the traffic to your product. Simple, all 10 minutes videos and explaining you what you want to know, right? At the end of the video, at the end of the third video, it said that either you can go and get the traffic from regular sites that are using it and pay lots of money to them, or you can use a DOE, directory of easiness, and getting traffic will become much easier to you. Now this is the system that he put in place. The few customers that he had, he sent the email to these people saying that there is a free training that is available. People jumped in for the free training, and the conversion rate, which the industry was having 2%, he had 20% of the conversion rate. And every time a sale happens, he's getting $97. So he started getting $97, $500, $700, $1,000. He was not able to believe that this is the system, how it is working. So what he did, the people who already bought the product from him, he said that I will give you a chance to use the same strategy and the funnel that I am using. You can also generate the same kind of money that I am generating. All you have to do is become part of my community, become part of my hub. So these people, they jumped in and got the access to his funnel or his marketing model. These people used the same marketing model and started generating the results. So now when people were getting results, the second thing that came, how do you get connected to your people? The people who are giving you email addresses. So you need a mailing system. So he promoted a mailing system. So the mailing system was sold. Okay. Then he promoted the funnels that you have to use to put the system in place. So when you can generate money, people wanted to buy the funnels also. So then people who bought the funnel. So he was able to promote many products. He was able to build a community. He was able to sell the tools that were available on the backend. Creating this model, he was able to generate $30,000 in 1 month. This is a real life case study, and this is the case study of my mentor. Now, question comes, is the product still there? No, the product has discontinued long time back. Question is, are the tools still there? No, the tools over the period of time has also evolved. Many tools have come, many tools have gone. Is the community there? Is the hub there? Yes, it is there. And he has been doing that for over a decade, and the community has been growing and growing and growing since then. Right now, he makes more than $1 million per month. So that is the power of a hub. That is the power of community. And if you were to do a affiliate marketing business online, this is something which I recommend. The question is, which affiliate marketing is best in India? This is the best affiliate marketing in India. If you could do your business like this, create yourself a hub, there is nobody who can beat you. If I was to sum up the whole video and give the takeaways that you can take from this video, the first will be, if you want to create an affiliate marketing business, a real deal business, not just the one promoting the links here and there. If you want to do that, you need to create your hub, you need to create your community. Second, don't sell the product. Okay, people hate when you sell them anything. You don't have to sell anything, you have to educate them. People are not looking for the product, they are looking for the result. They don't want to buy the product. See how your product can solve the problem for them and get them to the result that they want. If you are able to show them, they would definitely want to have the product. And the third thing is, separate yourself from the crowd. Don't be in the crowd of that 98% of the people who are just copying each other and doing the same thing over and over again, failing again and doing the same thing again. Be in the 2% of the crowd, or in the elite class, which are doing things differently. If you are able to do that, it will give you a leverage above all others. With that being said, I wish you all the success in your online venture and see you in the next video. Take care and bye bye.